Good morning everyone, happy Panagbenga. Today is Saturday, it's the street dancing parade. We're gonna take some videos and footages. I will also assist the media team of one of the most well-loved councilors in the city of Baguio, Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. So let's go. I'm a little late, so let's run. We will walk going to Burnham Park. It's Panagbenga, so let's go. It's the street dancing parade. Let's go to the venue. We are already here. People are now setting up to watch. Maganda pa rin yung camera niya.